Hello everyone, welcome to another Christmas special video. And today we're making more Christmas decorations, Sylvanian related. So while I was at the store yesterday, I came across this limited Sylvanian set and I thought I could turn it into something beautiful for Christmas. Look how cute it is. Look at those little toys and everything. Look at that little lamb. So yeah, I gathered my stuff for today. We're gonna do some decorating. Before we get into the video, I really want to show you this. I'm not sure what it's called, but my mom makes these. It's so beautiful. She makes them using napkins, and I think it's very pretty. So that's what we're gonna be decorating today. Here's everything I prepared for today. I bought this fur fabric that I'm gonna use as a base to make it look like snow. I also got some cotton, whatever cotton, a random box. I chose this one, but it doesn't matter what color it will be. I'm gonna cover it up. Some white Christmas lights. I really like white Christmas lights. And of course, a pair of scissors. So I once again moved you onto the floor so you can see what I'm doing. And I'm gonna start with the base snow. Oh my god, it does look like snow. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna start by measuring and cutting. Okay, I'm gonna turn it upside down so I can measure and cut the fabric. Okay. We are about here. Oh my god. It's flying everywhere. Oh, just like real snow. Anyway, let's see if it fits. Perfect. And I need a smaller layer for the bottom. So instead of cutting it in a smaller piece, I'm just gonna keep both pieces like as they are. Alright, doesn't look bad, so I'm gonna keep it that way. Next, I'm gonna use this random box right there in the middle so I can place my Sylvanians a little higher than the rest of the box. And of course, I also want to cover it in snow. So I'm just gonna wrap it around it. I don't want to use any glue or anything, so I'm just gonna wrap it around. Okay, so I have my two pieces ready, and I'm just gonna wrap the box around it like this, and the other one on top. So I simply wrapped the fabric around my box, and this is what it looks like. Placing it onto my box, and this is what we're getting. Here's where I want to add a little bit of cotton to give more of a snowy effect. So I'm just randomly getting pieces of cotton. I'm gonna place them randomly. The top. And here I have my snow already, and now it's time to unbox our little Sylvanians. Here's everything you will find in the box. Happy holidays. Look at those cute pictures. Oh my god, it looks so cute. And let's open it up. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. And it comes with those stickers. I'm not sure where we're supposed supposed to place them? Okay, let's start with the lion. Let's free him. He looks so cute. Look at that little tail. I love his outfit, by the way. It's so pretty. You can wait for us here. Okay. Next, I'm gonna try and remove the little bear. Why is it so hard to unbox toys? I just ripped the bottom off. Anyway. I destroyed everything. Oh. Oh my god. But here we have the little bear. Let's free him. Look how pretty the sleigh is. And it has a little present, a cardboard present. But look at the details. Oh wow. So beautiful. Lovely. And here we have a little bear. Oh, and he's free. I adore his outfit. Look at that. Oh my god, he looks so cute. This is just amazing. Lovely. And we're moving on to the little toy gifts. I'm just gonna cut them off. I'm not doing the same thing. I don't want to torture myself today. Here we have the little toys. I love how tiny they are. Another present, also made of cardboard. We have a toy teddy bear that's also really tiny. This is lovely. Look how cute it is. Next we have a Christmas tree. Hold on, these are building blocks. What is this? I'm not sure what this is, but it looks cute. Next we have a little toy bass. Is it a fire truck? We'll never know. This is also a very fun toy. I remember having these as a kid. And last but not least, we have a piano. Again, very beautiful. Here is a closer look from all the toys. So pretty. And I just realized these are not in fact stickers. These are some Christmas cards, and this is like a toy list. Be very careful with these. Oh my god. No, this is not gonna work. I'm gonna use my scissors. Far from perfect, but this is everything. Okay. Here is a closer look of all of the toys that was inside of the box. And let's move into the decorating part. Starting with a little sleigh with the gifts, little bear inside. And I'm just gonna place all the little toys around. And of course, the piano, Christmas list, and Christmas cards, of course. And that's basically it. Here is a closer look of everything. And let's add the final touch. For the last part, I'm gonna be adding some Christmas lights, and I decided to go with these since they are battery powered and it's a lot safer. Please be careful with Christmas decorations and always make sure you pick the safest option. I'm just gonna wrap it around very carefully. I'm not touching the cotton part. I'm only gonna touch the bottom, which is a different material. It's 100% polyester, but again, we need to be careful. So I'm just gonna place it very carefully. Let's see how it looks. Ah, so cute. For the final part, I want to add some Christmas ornaments for my Christmas tree and make it a little bit fuller. Who do we want to pick? I'm thinking maybe some candy canes. That would look so cool. These are also very pretty. I might add 1 or 2 of them. Here's everything I picked. And now let's place them into our little box. I'm going for the corners with the candy canes. Okay. This looks so much better. Here is a closer look of everything. And I'm gonna turn the light off and see what it looks like. It looks so pretty. Sorry for the bad quality. It looks so beautiful by the tree. Everything just looks amazing. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up because it helps me a lot. Subscribe to this channel for more Sylvanian and Squishmallow content. And I will see you next time. Merry Christmas!